Good evening, students. Now this is video number 6. In this video we shall start with chapter number 2, that is work, power and energy. First of all, work. What is work? Is, suppose this is a horizontal surface and a body is placed on it, and the force F is applied on the body, and the body displaces from A to B in the direction of the force applied. So this is called work done. So the work is said to be done when a force is applied on the body and the body moves in the direction of the force applied. So that is known as force. Like, this is a body, it is in rest and the force is applied on it and the body does not move. So in this case, displacement is 0. When the displacement is 0, it means work done is also 0. Now, measurement of work. Measurement of work, that depends upon two factors. One is magnitude of the force applied, how much force is applied on the body. This is the first factor. Second is the displacement produced, means how much the body is displaced from its position A to position B. So these are the two factors on which the measurement of work depends upon. Now, mathematically, work is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. Now, what is the SI unit of force? What is the SI unit of force? That is Newton. Displacement meter. So Newton meter जो है that is equal to joule. The SI unit of work done is joule. Now the next is expression of work. Expression of work. For this, suppose a constant force F is applied on a body. Along AB. Once again, this is a body and a constant force is applied on it along AB and displaces the body on the inclined surface from A to C. Now the displacement of the body AC, that is equal to S. This is S. This is S. Now the displacement of the body is AC, which is at an angle theta to the direction of the force applied. Clear? So to find the component of displacement in the direction of the force applied, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem here. For that, just draw the perpendicular CB on AB. So as we know that work done, that is equal to F into AB. AB क्या है? That is the displacement. Clear? F into AB. Now we have to find AB. So in order to find AB, so let right angle triangle, that is A, B and C. So AB upon AC, that is equal to cos theta. So AB, this is equal to AC cos theta. or AB that is equal to S cos theta, because AC that is equal to S. So AB is equal to S cos theta. Now put AB that is S cos theta. So work done that is equal to F S cos theta. So this S cos theta is the component of the displacement S. So like this, here I have written F cos theta into S. So F cos theta is the component of the force F. So it doesn't matter, it is, you can even write Fs cos theta or F cos theta into S. You will get the same value. So work done that is equal to Fs cos theta when the work is done on the inclined surface. On the inclined surface, on the horizontal surface, it is simply work done that is equal to F into S. Now, special cases. When theta is equal to 0 degree. So, cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Work done that is equal to Fs cos theta. So, Fs cos theta that is 0. 0 means 1. It is Fs. Means positive and maximum. Positive and maximum. So, the work done is maximum when the displacement is in the direction of the force applied. Is in the direction of the force applied. So in this case the work done is maximum, and maximum work is positive work done. Maximum work is the positive work done. Now move to the next case. You can take another example. In freely falling body, the body can be thrown vertically upward direction or vertically downward direction. In both of the cases, the weight of the body will act vertically downward direction. So let in a free falling of a body of mass m, ये body है and its mass is m, and it is falling under gravity through a height h. This is a ground, and the height between the ground and the position of the body, that is h, or you can say from A to V. Now the force of gravity, that is equal to F, that is equal to mg. So we know that work done that is equal to Fs. So F is taken as mg, S is taken as h. So work done is positive, and this is mgh, freely falling downward direction. Like this, so many examples are there. You must go through that. Now, next case is when theta is 90 degree. When theta is 90 degree. Now, theta is 90 degree means if the displacement is normal to the direction of the force. Theta is 90 degree, it means that the displacement is normal to the direction of the force. So Fs cos theta is 90 degree and cos 90 means 0. Fs into 0 means z 0. So in this case the work done is 0. Work done is 0. Now you can take when a coolie walks on a horizontal ground while carrying a load in his hand, no work is done against the force of gravity. Like this. He is moving like this. He is moving like this. It means no work is done against the force of gravity because the displacement of load is normal to the direction of gravity, which is vertically downward direction. तो एंगल जो है that is 90, so cos 90 जो है that is 0. So the work done by the coolie while walking on the horizontal ground carrying a load on his head is 0. You can take another example when a body moves in a circular path. When a body moves in a circular path. So no work is done. No work is done because the centripetal force on the body at any instant. At any instant. You can take here, you can take here, you can take here, you can take from here. So at any instant is directed towards the center of the circular path. So this is the centripetal force which is acting inwards. And it is normal to the direction of the force on the body. Is that theta is 90 degree. Theta is 90 degree as it is shown here. It is for this reason that in a circular path, the kinetic energy, hence the speed of the body, does not change although the force acts on the body. So, when theta is 90 degree, work done is 0. Now the third case, when theta is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree means like the work done by the force of friction, your body is moving in this direction and the force of friction is acting in the opposite direction of the force applied. So in this case, the angle between the force applied and the force of friction is 180 degree. Cos 180 degree, that is equal to minus 1. So Fs cos theta, Fs cos 180 degree, Fs into minus 1, it is minus Fs. It means this is a negative work done. Negative work done. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much.